Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to find and use trending songs to your videos in Capcut on iPhone. So, let's get started. Open up the Capcut app on your iPhone. Then, create a project or open up an existing project. Then, your iPhone's camera roll will open. Select the video clip you want. Next, tap Add in the bottom right corner. Now your clip will appear in the editing timeline. After that, tap on Audio from the bottom menu. Now here, you will find some options like Extract, Sounds, Sound Effects, Record, etc. You need to tap on Sounds here. Then make sure to select Trending icon. It looks like fire icon. Or you can search Trending from the search box. Then, here, you will see popular songs currently being used. Now, tap on the song to preview. Once you find a track you like, tap the plus icon next to it and add it directly to your timeline. So that's it. This is how you can use trending songs to your videos in Capcut on iPhone. Hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.